Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss a theory related to Ash and Lucario special mega evolution. Plus, I will also discuss some merchandise scan, along with some important images of next year calendar, which suggests about some upcoming future events. Like Arceus arc is coming, Dawn could again return, Chloe catch Ponyta, Infinite and Ash second reunion, and much more. So there is a lot to discuss, but before that, I want you guys to like the video, as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, let me first discuss about Ash and Lucario. Since I had already discussed upcoming episode title, summary, and their respective release date, so if you guys wants to know about that, then you can check out my this video, link in the I button. Now first here let me discuss about episode 84 preview. So it seems that they are going to leave from Tower of Mastery to the Mega Island. And in the arrival of Mega Island, we could clearly notice that Ash is already equipped with his Mega Gloves. Which simply means that Ash will get his keystone from Corina in the starting of the episode. Or maybe just like episode 77, we will see Ash get his keystone in off-screen. Then in the next scene we saw Lucario and Ash were communicating with each other through their aura bond. Which to be honest, remind me of Ash and Greninja bond evolution. Whatever, it seems that Ash and Lucario Mega Evolution is going to be much stronger and quite unique in compared to any other Mega Evolved Pokemon. As if they can communicate with each other through aura, then definitely it means that their Mega Evolution is going to be special and much stronger as they become one. Although in the preview we saw various Mega Evolved Pokemon who were kind of attacking on Ash and Lucario. And my guessing is that they are only obstacles of Ash and Lucario that they have to pass to reach the Lucarionite. Then at the end we saw an old man who quickly Mega Evolved his Alakazam. Since I believe that this old man is Corina's grandfather who had only disguised himself. And he is here to take a test of Ash and Lucario, just like he had did with Corina back in the XY series. So now I'm very excited for this episode, as it seems that this episode will live up to the expectation. Whatever, let me now discuss about a merchandise scan. So out here we could see Dialga and Palkia, with some Sinnoh Pokemons like Togekiss and Piplup. Since Togekiss and Piplup could be an indication that Dawn is again going to return in this series. Also it chance become more strong, as previously Dawn voice actor Megumi Toyogachi had said that Dawn development is yet to be shown in this series. So it's very likely that in upcoming Winter Sinnoh arc we will see Dawn to return again. Plus, a rumor is currently rolling out that in Winter Sinnoh arc, Arceus is also going to appear for few seconds. Which actually get confirmed recently with this another official scan of upcoming Winter arc. In which we could see Arceus, Dialga and Palkia with Ash, Lucario and Cinderace. So I think it's going to be so amazing to see the god of Pokemon world in anime finally. And now let me discuss about some important calendar images. So in the first image, we could see Ash Pikachu, Chloe Eevee and most probably Dawn Buneri and Pachirisu. Along with a Galarian Ponyta, which I think is most likely to be the upcoming capture of Chloe, as its storyline is still not ended. And we also could see a Empoleon and a Weavile out here, which I think may be going to be a random Pokemon to appear in upcoming episodes. Then finally we could see Dialga and Palkia, so I think maybe Winter arc is going to be in January or in February month of next year. As we all know very nicely, that various break happened this year, so maybe because of that its timing automatically gets shifted to next year. However it's not get confirmed up to now, so let's see what's going to happen. Now in the next image, we could see Pikachu and Eevee with Sinnoh starters and along with a Pachirisu, a Munchlax and a Shaman. So we again see a Pachirisu, on which I will again say the name of Dawn. Now about Munchlax, so some fans are predicting that maybe it's an indication of May return. Since previous year, when I made a prediction video on 2020 calendar, I made two unlikely prediction which actually get correct this year. And I think you guys remembered that they were Iris will return in this series and Ash and Go will again visit Alola region. So now again I'm making a quite unlikely prediction that maybe up to the next year we could see May return in this series. Whatever now about Shaman, so we had seen some legendary and mythical Pokemon to appear in this series, so I will not be so surprised that Shaman 2 will get an episode to appear in this Pokemon journeys. Now in the next image, we could see some of Ash, Go and Chloe Pokemons with the legendary Pokemon Kubfu. Since at first it's feel me a little weird that why Kubfu was in May and June months. As from various previous months, we are getting news that Crown Tundra will happen this year. But to be honest, they are only news and we still don't know when this arc is actually going to happen. Although this video is only based on pure speculation, so let's see what's going to happen. As some people are predicting now that Ash will catch Kubfu permanently. But as I said, I can't say about this with much confidence, however that's definitely will be amazing if Ash will actually catch him permanently. And now in the next image, we could see two important Pokemon to notice. And there are Infinite and Darkrai, so it seems that we could see Ash Infinite to return again in this series. And also maybe we are again going to see a Darkrai in this Pokemon journeys. Since previous time various fans doesn't like the way Infinite return was shown as he didn't get much screen time in the episode. So maybe we could again see his return, and this time it could very properly. Although now let me discuss about our last image in which we could see them in Halloween outfit. Since my thoughts about Gungnir, Pachirisu, Munchlax and about Galarian Ponyta is still same. However about this while my thought get a little change as we are seeing him again and again. So I think maybe this Pokemon is going to be a upcoming capture of Go, or maybe it could be Ash. Now at last we have a Mime Jr. here, so I think it only going to be a random appearance. So now I had discussed every recent scans and theory about upcoming episodes. And again I wants to remind you guys, that this video was only based on pure speculation, I'm not making any confirmation for anything. And now at last I have a small update, actually it's a statement from the producer. That Grookey is also a Pokemon that have a great impact, so I think it will appear for the first time, when the necessity of Grookey should come out here, was born in the story. So basically he wants to say, that in future some episodes are also going to be focused on Grookey. In which maybe he will learn some moves, or maybe he will also go in the path of evolution. Although whatever will happen, currently my biggest excitement is the next episode, in which Ash Lucario is going to get a mega evolution. And now that's all for this video, I hope you guys had enjoyed it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, to get more this type of related videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts, about upcoming events that we could see. Now at last as always, if you guys like to interact with me, then be sure to follow me on my social media handles, like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.